to appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for liking, subscribing, sharing and commenting on all our videos. We wouldn't have been here without you. Keep watching Eagle Eye Angle. We are the best.
Hello, welcome back to Eagle Eye Angle. We are here once again. When we talk about Eagle Eye Angle, it's all about life, and food is life. You can never live without food. So we always prepare local dishes, and everything about our food is local and natural. So please guys, in today's video, we are going to take you guys through local food known as konkonte, made of plantain. The konkonte that we normally eat is we use cassava to prepare it, but this one is different. We are not going to use cassava powder to make our konkonte, but we are going to use plantain powder to make our konkonte. Guys, you love it. Okay guys, let's go through my ingredients and start cooking. I have my konkonte powder here, nicely made. Then I have my meat, different kind of meat. I have beef, I have chicken, and then willy as well. Then I have my fresh tomatoes, nicely washed. Then I also have my red pepper and the yellow pepper, then okra as well. I have my ginger and garlic. I'm going to prepare. I
have my ginger and garlic.
I have my ginger.
Go back.
Quiet. 1, 2, 3. I have my ginger and garlic.
I have my ginger and garlic. Because I'm going to prepare light soup, I'll be adding carrot to it. So because of that, I'm having my carrot here. Then I have my spices. I have my onions here, big size. Then still fish, because of lice, I'm putting it inside a rubber. Then I have my salt to give me taste. So the food that we are going to prepare today is very simple. The ingredients is simple but very, very delicious. Please guys, take your seat and let's go to the kitchen and start cooking. I'm going to wash my vegetables and put it on fire, because today I've decided to add salt to it to wash it nicely before I'll put it on fire. So I'm adding my salt to the vegetables to wash it nicely, because I'm going to prepare light soup or pepper soup. So I want to go and put my vegetables on fire to boil it before I will use it for my soup.
At this point, I'm going to put my vegetables on fire to steam before I'll add it to my soup. So I'm putting it on fire.
I'm going to put my meat on fire. So I'm transferring it into my pot. It's nicely washed. So I'll be adding my onion and my blended ingredient to it before I'll put it on fire to steam it. I'm adding my chopped onion to the meat to steam it. Then my salt to give me taste. Then my shrimp powder. Nicely, I'm adding my onion, ginger and garlic blended one to it. I won't add any water to rate. I will leave it on like this for the meat to produce water to steam it. I'm going to put it on fire to steam it. I will leave it on fire like this for about 10 minutes, then I will take it off and then continue everything. Now my vegetables are ready, so I'm going to take it on from the fire, then I'll go and blend it and use it for my soup. Okay, I'm going to blend my vegetables and use it for the soup. I'm going to add my blended vegetables to my meat. Very soon my light soup will be ready.
So I'm about to put my water on fire to stir my soup. Okay, at this point my water is boiling, so I'm about to stir my konkonte, which is made of plantain. So watch out and see how I'm going to stir it. Now at this point I'm adding my powdered flour to it.
Now my crisp brown is ready, so I'm going to test it and see whether it's hard or soft. The way the filling is hard small, so I have to add a little warm water to rate to steam it. So I'm adding hot water to rate to steam it. The water is okay. So I will leave it on fire for some 2 minutes before I will turn it again. So I have to cover it like this. I have to cover it.
Then my konkonte is well steamed, so I'm continuing my stirring. Very soon it will be ready for consuming. And my konkonte is ready, so I'm about to mold it. almost done. This is the last one. So I'm done. We are going to serve and start consume.
My soup is ready. Then I'm going to take it off from the fire. But let me test it and see. Too much. So ready. Hello, now my food is ready. Then my soup too is ready. I'm about to serve. So you can see how my family members have gathered here. Then they are ready to enjoy the Plantain Konkonte, which known as Chris Brown. So we are ready to eat. Guys, watch out. So my soup. We are going to enjoy this nice soup. So we are going to enjoy how the soup is nice, the aroma, the everything that is inside is going to consume. So nice, delicious, natural, yummy. Now our food is ready. I told you guys on the Insta stage that we are going to use plantain powder to prepare the konkonte. So a lot of people ask that, how can you use plantain powder to prepare the konkonte? It's very simple. So the only thing you need is that you peel your plantain, then green plantain, it's not the wrap one, it's the green one. Peel it nicely, then you wash it and cut it and dry it. Maybe you have your microwave or some ways to dry it, you can dry it. But if you don't have microwave or some ways to dry it, the natural one is that you just peel it and put it on the sun for a day or 2 days, then it will get dry. Then you pound it and then you go and ground it. Then you get your powder for your konkonte, like the one we've used it. We sold the powder to you guys. So that's what we did before we are able to get the powder for the konkonte of plantain, which made of plantain. So it's very simple. Just try this in your house and see how it tastes. And it's very delicious and nicely, and then it's also nutritious and everything is inside.
Welcome back, family, to AGY Angle. We want to thank you for being with us from the very onset till this stage. We say a very big thank you to each and every single one of you. Thank you for, the data you are using, your effort, your time, everything. We say God bless you all. Today we are having a konkonte, and then the konkonte, like my sisters already, told you. This one is made of plantain. Yes, a very special one as well. Made of plantain. And of course, it's a very healthy one as well. Not just delicious, but then a very, very healthy one. So guys, as we are about to, consume everything as our name goes, Consumers Association, we want you to be with us. Don't go nowhere. Stay tuned and then be with us. Like the video as we keep on leading with you guys. Like the video, you share, you subscribe. And then moreover, you don't forget to leave your comment. So be with us. Don't go nowhere. Thank you very much.
Very nice.
You see too?
Oh guys, the food is just marvelous.
More than the word.
Yes, of course, yes. We are really enjoying it. We are really, really enjoying it. Make sure you try this in your various houses. It's very healthy.
Oh,
Wow, we are enjoying
Wow. Consumers Association.
We never
We
disappoint.
never disappoint. Eagle Eye Angle.
Yes, Uncle.
Hello viewers, as we always say, Consumers Association will never disappoint. Please, what I want you guys to do for me is just subscribe to our channel, share your comment and then like the video. But you can follow the process and see how we are preparing the food, and then you prepare this in your home and you see how good it is.
Hey, Annie.
It's sweet though.
Well, family, we believe you've seen everything for yourself. Yes, you don't need to be told. You've seen everything for yourself. Like our name goes, Consumers Association, we never disappoint. Yes, of course, yes. You see, even the effort of our little girl alone tells everything. It tells you how tasty and how delicious, how healthy and yummy the food is. Yes, you don't just watch us for watching us eat. You can just try this in your various houses. Yes, try this and you won't regret it. Yes, of course, yes, you won't regret it and you will just like it. So, before we sign off, we are about to go off, of course. Before we sign off, we will urge you guys to like the video, share, and then subscribe. Please, you do us the favor by dropping your comments. You don't forget to do that. You do us the favor by dropping your comments in the comment section. Yes, it could be in a question form as we keep on saying, and then a suggestion. Do you have any food in mind that you would want us to cook for you so that you know how it is prepared? We are ever ready to do that for you. Yes, we are always there for you and we are always ready to do that for you. So guys, until we meet again next time, we say God bless you and then goodbye for now. Eagle Eye Angle.
Don't forget to subscribe!
Hi there. We would like to appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for liking, subscribing, sharing and commenting on all our videos. We wouldn't have been here without you. Keep watching Eagle Eye Angle. We are the best.